Bush medicine is the original survival manual, born from necessity, not myth. For millennia, our ancestors had no doctors or pharmacies, just the wild and their wits. A simple cut could be deadly, a fever could devastate a family. Survival meant knowing the land. Which plants soothed wounds, which roots eased pain. This knowledge was built by relentless trial and error, courageous experimentation, careful observation, and sharing discoveries. Early humans watched animals, learned from nature, and passed down what worked. Every culture developed its own remedies, shaped by local environments. In the Arctic, Inuit used willow fungus to stop bleeding. In Asia, neem tree leaves fought infection. Remedies were kept if they worked, discarded if they failed. Bush medicine became a living library of survival, constantly updated. It's not quaint folklore, it's the foundation of all healing traditions. This is human resilience, adapting, observing, and daring to try when there's no other choice. Bush medicine is proof that nature provides tools for survival. If you know where to look, it's the bedrock of our history of healing. Modern medicine didn't start in a lab, it started in the wild. Many of today's drugs trace their roots to plants used by traditional healers. Aspirin began with willow bark, chewed for centuries to ease pain and fever. Scientists isolated its active ingredient, refined it, and created the pill we know today. The Pacific yew tree, once ignored, gave us Taxol, a breakthrough cancer drug thanks to indigenous knowledge. Artemisinin, a life-saving malaria treatment, comes from sweet wormwood used in Chinese medicine for millennia. Quinine for malaria, digoxin for heart conditions, both started as folk remedies. Modern science followed the trail blazed by generations of healers. These pioneers mapped the wilderness. Scientists refined their discoveries. The pharmacy shelf is just a polished version of the forest floor. Our greatest medicines are rooted in ancient wisdom. Knowing willow bark can ease pain is one thing. Knowing the difference between bush medicine and modern drugs is survival. Traditional remedies are powerful but inconsistent. The dose varies wildly from plant to plant. One day a remedy works, the next it's useless or even dangerous. Modern science changed everything with standardization. Every pill contains a precise, reliable dose. This consistency makes treatment safer and more effective. Modern drugs are tested for safety and efficacy through rigorous trials, something bush medicine never had. Traditional remedies were tested by survival. Modern ones are tested in controlled environments. Bush medicine is a complex mix of compounds, sometimes helpful, sometimes harmful. Modern drugs target problems with precision. Traditional remedies are a shotgun blast. Both have value, but knowing the difference is crucial. Use bush medicine when you must, but trust modern medicine when you can. The real skill is knowing when each is appropriate. Tradition offers options, science offers certainty. In survival, understanding both can save your life. Don't romanticize or dismiss either. Use what works. Smart survivors are pragmatic, not purists. Some ancient remedies work for real evidence-based reasons. Science now shows that whole plants often outperform single chemicals thanks to synergy among their compounds. A plant's mix of chemicals can boost absorption, reduce toxicity, and enhance healing. Metformin, a top diabetes drug, traces back to goat's rue, used in European folk medicine. Scientists refined the idea, but the blueprint was traditional knowledge. Modern research validates what healers observed for generations. Our ancestors couldn't see molecules, but they saw results. Their wisdom was built on careful observation and experimentation. Today we use science to understand and confirm what they discovered. The best remedies are where tradition and evidence meet. Respect the knowledge that stood the test of time. In the wild, you use what's around you. Bush medicine becomes your lifeline. Focus on simple, effective, low-risk remedies for wounds, pain, and infection. Honey is a classic. It kills bacteria, protects wounds, and promotes healing. Plantain, a common weed, soothes cuts, bites, and stings with its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Willow bark can ease pain and fever if you find it near water. Turmeric root, if available, can reduce inflammation when made into a paste. These remedies aren't miracle cures, but they buy you time and comfort. Use what's common and proven. Don't gamble on unknown plants. Survival is about triage, not heroics. The right bush remedy can mean the difference between giving up and pushing on. Know a few, use them wisely. Nature's first aid kit is everywhere, if you know what to look for. Bush medicine isn't a cure-all. Knowing its limits is vital. Dosage is unpredictable, and plant identification can be deadly if you're wrong. Many medicinal plants have toxic lookalikes. Mistakes can be fatal. Bush remedies are best for minor wounds, pain, and infection, not for serious illness. They can't cure pneumonia, set bones, or stop a heart attack. For life-threatening conditions, only modern medicine will do. Preparation matters. Tea, poultice, tincture, each extracts different compounds. Generations built this knowledge. A field guide can't replace experience. Many traditional claims don't hold up to science. Don't trust folklore blindly. Focus on remedies with proven effects, not superstition. Placebo is not a survival strategy. The smart survivor is skeptical and evidence-driven. Hope is not enough. Use what works and know when to seek real help. The best survival strategy blends ancient wisdom with modern science. Build a kit with modern essentials, antiseptics, painkillers, bandages, but no bush remedies as backup. If you run out of supplies, knowledge of local plants extends your options. Use a field guide to identify safe plants. Use water filters to make herbal teas safely. Science makes bush medicine safer and more effective. In a crisis, use the best tool available. Don't be a purist. If you have a wipe, use it. If not, use a plantain leaf. Survival is about adaptability, not ideology. The most effective survivor shifts between high-tech and low-tech as needed. Integrate both worlds for maximum resilience. The goal is to survive, not to prove a point. Survival is about what's in your head, not your pack. Bush medicine teaches resourcefulness, seeing solutions in the wild. Knowledge evolves. Ancestors observed, scientists refined. True wisdom is respecting both old and new. Learn to identify a few proven safe medicinal plants in your area. Build a solid first aid kit and get real training, CPR, wilderness first aid. Know when to use a plant and when to call for help. Both bush and modern medicine are about overcoming adversity. The best survivor is fluent in both languages. Adaptability and learning are your greatest assets. In the wild, knowledge and options mean survival. Adapt, learn, overcome. That's how you come home.